Hey, what's up everyone? So in this video I'm going to show you top 10 best applications, and all of these applications are really good, and most of these applications were released recently, while some of them were released a while ago but are not known by a lot of people, but they do provide a lot of functionality. Overall, all of these applications will add a lot of new features to your phone and you will enjoy using them. So now let's get started. The next app on the list is Lightroom. So Adobe released a new version of Lightroom, and now you don't need to have Creative account subscription to use it. You can use the features of this app for free now. So Lightroom provides some pro tools in the app which cannot be found in other photo editors. You can even edit raw DNG files and take full advantage of the quality and detail captured. So once you open this app, you just need to select a photo. Then you will find a lot of tools below here to edit the photo. From the first tool here, you can crop the photo, change the aspect ratio, rotate it. From the second option here, you can apply some presets. There are a lot of presets of various categories here, and you can choose between them. And then at last, you have got some adjustment options to edit various settings like contrast, highlights, shadows, and much more. Tapping the adjustment icon here allows you to choose between various tools like tone curve, vignetting, colors. Using these tools, you can create amazing images that most editors can't do. The next app on the list is Tapit. So one of my most favorite wallpaper app released recently is Tapit. Almost most of my wallpapers are from an app called Facets, including the wallpapers from this video. This app has a collection of hundreds of amazing wallpapers that you will definitely like, and this app is definitely worth the price. But Tapit is very different from Facets. Facets has all done for me, and only thing left is to apply the wallpaper. Tapit, on the other hand, is a wallpaper generator. This app uses different mathematical algorithms to create wallpapers. We are allowed to choose various elements of the wallpaper here. The UI is simple. You can swipe down to generate a new wallpaper, swipe up for the previous one, swipe left and right to change pattern or the color. You can even like or dislike the wallpaper to let this app know what type of wallpaper you prefer. From the settings, you can change the frequency of different shapes and colors that appear in the wallpapers. Overall, it's a great app for personalization, and all of the wallpaper generated by this app will only be present in your phone. You can't find it in other phones. The next app on the list is Amazon App Store. So Amazon also has its own App Store for Android, and it's not better than the Play Store, but from time to time they have a lot of offers that will provide free apps that would cost money in the Play Store. Many apps also come with in-app purchases unlocked, and in this app you will find a lot of top games and apps like Goat Simulator, Cut the Rope that would cost money or have in-app purchases in the Play Store. Amazon Underground App Store is not available in the Play Store. You need to get it from the link below in the description box. You can just go to your browser and type amazon.com/underground and download the APK and install it on your phone. Then you need to log in with your Amazon ID, and from the side menu here, you need to go to the Underground app section, and there you will find a lot of apps for free. Amazon regularly has these kinds of deals where they provide a lot of apps worth thousands of dollars for free in their app store, so it's worth having this app. The next app on the list is Arcus. So it's a weather forecast app. It's not the prettiest we have seen, but it's the most accurate one for Android so far. So if you are familiar with the Dark Sky weather app from iPhone, which is the best weather app for mobile platform, this app gets its data from the same database which is used by the Dark Sky app. So in this app, you will see 4 different tabs named Map, Now, Daily, and Hourly. So Now tab shows the current weather information with the weather info of next hour. There are different type of information which is very useful. Hourly tab shows weather forecast up to next 48 hours, and daily shows weather forecast up to next week. As I said before, this app provides very accurate hour by hour weather forecast. And you can add various locations from the settings menu, and this app has got a very customizable widget where you can change the text color, background color, and choose what info you want. The next app on the list is today's calendar. It's not a new calendar, but I kept it in this list because I found it to be even better than the Google Calendar, both in terms of design and functionality. So once you open this calendar, you'll find the default split view, which will display the calendar on the top and all events of the month below. From the side menu, you can change the view modes to agenda, which will show all the events only. Then you have the day mode, which will show hourly details. Then you have the week and the month. From the calendar option, you can choose which calendar you want to sync. You can choose various Google calendars and other calendars to display information. Adding an event is also very easy. You just need to press this add button and type the event name. Then you can choose the day, time, location. You can add guest and choose the reminder method, which can be by email or by notification. You can even type the day or the time when you want to be reminded along with the name while adding an event. From the settings menu here, you can change the theme and the color, and this app also comes with a bunch of great home screen widgets. The next app on the list is Gtask. So this app was released a back ago, but it's not known by a lot of people. Currently, we can see a lot of to-do apps with a lot of features packed into them. Out of them, Gtask is a simple to use app. The UI is very clean and does what it's meant to do without any clutter. So once you open this app, there's a button to add a task. You can choose its date and the reminder time. You have the option to repeat it if it occurs in a set period of interval. Then you can create groups and add tasks on them accordingly. This app also syncs with the Google account, so the data is saved in the cloud and synced across various devices. It also has got a clean widget that looks great and can match a lot of home screen themes. So that's all about this app. This app has everything a to-do app needs and nothing more. The next app on the list is Peak. So the company behind this game collected over $10 million and now are continuously making their brain training app better with the help of several neuroscientists and engineers. This app has various fun little games which they claim will increase your focus, memory, and strength cognitive functions. There are 30 fun games in this app which will train your brain, and each game provides points which lets you know how better you are in various sectors. This app has attracted millions of users worldwide. You can also compare your score against other users and track your progress over time. Many people have liked this app and you might too, so just try it. The link is below in the description box. The next app on the list is Office Lens. So it's a very simple and easy to use app created by Microsoft. So it's a scanner which you can use to scan documents, business cards, Blackboard, and photos. This app is smart enough to accurately know the background and just crop out the required document in the photo. Once the photo is taken, it automatically brings up the document and then allows you to make edits to them. Then you can specify the type of document that you have captured. You can choose between business card, photo, or document. And if the automatic crop is not good enough, you can select the area manually. Then you can save it as a photo, PDF, or import it to other Microsoft apps like the OneNote and others. The integration with other Microsoft is good and will be beneficial if you use other Microsoft products. From the settings here, you can change the resolution of the photo that this app captures, and if it is connected with Microsoft account, then the photos taken from this app will be saved to the cloud automatically. You also have option to import a photo taken previously instead of capturing one. So that's all about this app. Overall, it's a great productivity app. The next app on the list is SwiftKey Neural. You all know the SwiftKey keyboard. which is one of the best mobile keyboards with great features and predictions. SwiftKey alone makes the experience using the phone a lot better, and now they have released a new app that has even better features. Previously, SwiftKey used to analyze previous two words to provide predictions, but now they use a new algorithm and artificial intelligence to suggest, and it's better than before. It now analyzes longer sentences and is more accurate. It still has all the previous features of SwiftKey like customizing the keyboard, themes. It's now in alpha, and if you want to check it out, it's available in the Play Store and the links below in the description box. The next app on the list is MS Word. So it's one of the many new apps released by Microsoft this year. You might have heard about its desktop version, and now that app has been ported to Android with some of its features. So when you open this app, you will find the design to be very similar. So at the start, you need to choose between different templates as seen in the desktop version, and the look and the feel again here is very similar. You can start writing on a document, and up there are a few tools. There you will find the Find and Replace tool. Another one lets you change the font size, font face, and few more tools are also available on the top right corner here. And this app will also be able to open .doc file and make changes to them. So it's a great text editor, and the documents can be exported and saved offline or in cloud directly by this app. So that's all about this app. All of these apps are great, and I hope that you guys have found some application for yourselves. Which app do you like the most? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you know of any other app worthy to be in such videos, do let me know in the comment section below, and like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.